I know the quiet doubts that echo in the back of your mind when the lights go out. You lie there, staring at the ceiling, wondering why the spark that once made you feel unmistakably masculine now flickers so faintly. You tell yourself, maybe this is just what getting older feels like. Maybe intimacy is supposed to fade. I've heard those whispered confessions from men just like you for more than 3 decades, men who shift in their chairs, clear their throats, and finally admit, "Dr. Miles, I avoid getting too close because I'm afraid I won't measure up." I understand, because I've walked thousands of patients through that same dimly lit tunnel. And I'm here to shine a light on something most doctors overlook. What if I told you that reigniting full body confidence doesn't start with a prescription bottle, but could begin with 3 everyday foods you might already have in your kitchen? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share flies in the face of conventional advice, and, more importantly, it opens the door to restoring the blood flow that fuels your vitality down there. Picture John, a 64-year-old retired electrician from Chicago. After decades of crawling through attics and lugging conduit, John's back ached, but it wasn't the pain that bothered him most, it was the slow erosion of his marital closeness. "I just don't feel like a man anymore," he whispered during our first appointment. Routine labs came back normal, yet every vascular scan told a quieter, more troubling story. His blood struggled to course through the tiniest vessels. The underlying villain? A steep drop in nitric oxide production, the molecule your arteries release to relax and widen, allowing life-giving blood to surge where you need it most. I asked John to make one small change before we even discussed supplements. I told him to roast a cup of beetroot 3 times a week and blend half of that cup into his breakfast smoothie each time. Beets are packed with dietary nitrates, raw material your body transforms into nitric oxide. Within 10 days John called, voice trembling with disbelief, to say his morning stiffness wasn't just in his joints anymore. By week 4, he and his wife were laughing like newlyweds about having to sneak off before their grandkids woke up. That surge of confidence wasn't magic, it was chemistry. Beets feeding the nitric oxide pathway, vessels opening, circulation roaring back to life. Now meet Victor, 67, a long-haul trucker from El Paso who spent more nights in a sleeper cab than in his own bed. Years of fast food stops left him battling weight gain and sluggish energy. He confessed, eyes to the floor, "I avoid intimacy because I'm worried everything will let me down." I introduced Victor to a simple ritual: 8 ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice with lunch. Pomegranate is a powerhouse of polyphenol that not only protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly, but also signal your arterial lining to produce more of it. 3 weeks in, Victor noticed he was no longer nodding off at the wheel. For weeks in, the nagging pressure he'd felt down there during long drives eased. Most important to him, the spark with his partner back home no longer stalled at the starting line. His transformation wasn't luck, it was the revival of microcirculation nurtured by crimson fruit that ancient warriors once called inside-out rubies. Beetroot and pomegranate together create a 1-2 punch, but there's a third food, rich, surprising, and decadently enjoyable, that completes the circulation trilogy. Before I reveal it, understand why these foods matter more than any single prescription meant to fix the final symptom. Prescriptions can force an artificial rush of blood, but they can't repair the nitric oxide decline that's been cutting off your vital supply line for years. Imagine opening a fire hydrant with a hose that's cracked and clogged. Pressure spikes briefly, yet the flow remains compromised. What we're doing instead is... Now let me tell you about Marvin, a 71-year-old jazz musician from Atlanta. Marvin had always taken pride in his rhythm, not just on stage, but in every part of life. But when he came to me, he said something that stopped me in my tracks. "I still feel young in my soul, Doc. But my body doesn't answer the call anymore." I smiled gently and asked him about his diet. He loved his morning coffee, the occasional slice of bacon, but rarely touched anything green. I introduced Marvin to a rich, fatty food that's often misunderstood: dark chocolate, specifically 85% cacao or higher. Now, this isn't about indulging your sweet tooth. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavonols, compounds that enhance the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels, and stimulate the body's nitric oxide production. The science is beautiful. These flavonols help your arteries relax, improve circulation, and directly support erectile function, not in a trick-your-body way like some drugs, but by nourishing the mechanism nature intended. I asked Marvin to take just 1 or 2 small squares after dinner, savoring them slowly. Within weeks, he was not only sleeping better and waking up more refreshed, but he told me, "I feel like I'm back in rhythm." Document. Even my saxophone sounds sweeter. That's the power of restoring flow, not just blood flow, but life flow. Each of these foods, beets, pomegranate, dark chocolate, works in synergy to feed the nitric oxide pathway. But as powerful as they are, they're still just part of the picture. And this is where I need you to lean in and really hear me. Because here's what most doctors won't tell you. After 50, your body's natural production of nitric oxide doesn't just slow, it crashes. By age 60, you're making a fraction of what you did in your 20s. That means even the healthiest foods struggle to compensate for the underlying deficit. It's like trying to refill a dried-up well with a garden hose. That's why so many men come to me frustrated. I'm eating right, walking daily, even lost some weight. Why do I still feel numb, tired, disconnected? The answer is this: you're not broken. You're not lazy. Your body is starving for something it no longer makes on its own, and food alone isn't enough to restore it. This realization led me to what I call the blood flow restoration protocol. It's not a diet. It's not a gimmick. It's a science-backed system designed to reignite the nitric oxide engine inside your blood vessels. And when that engine roars back to life, everything downstream changes. Your energy, your drive, your confidence, and yes, your ability to rise to the occasion with your partner. I've put together a free presentation that walks you through every step of this protocol, the exact roadmap I've given to thousands of patients. The link is in the description below. But before you go there, let me leave you with something deeply personal. For over 30 years, I've sat across from men who thought their best days were behind them. And I've watched those same men reclaim their power, not just in the bedroom, but in their families, their work, their passions. I'm here to tell you, you are not done. You are not a faded version of your former self. You are a man whose engine needs a tune-up, not a funeral. Your circulation isn't just about performance, it's about identity. It's about feeling strong, certain, present. You deserve that. And the science is finally on your side. So take the first step. Watch the presentation. Let me guide you, just like I've guided thousands of others. The link is right below this video. But remember this, the decision to act is yours. You can keep accepting decline as your new normal, or you can stand up, literally and figuratively, and take back control of your health. One decision. One click. That's how momentum begins. Click the link. Watch the free presentation. And let's rebuild the flow that fuels your life, from the inside out.